What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was at Target and I picked up a few ily 4Ever dolls with new inspired looks and fantasy hair colors. My Target has a Disney store section and that's where I found them. Priced at $29.99, here is a Rapunzel inspired look. Here's an Elsa inspired look and Ariel. Looks like they have some glow-in-the-dark features, and these dolls are from shopdisney.com. So we get a surprise balloon and some coated wire to make straws and little plastic pieces putting holes in the clothes. This was $30. The inside of the box gives us fireworks at Disney, and it could be used as a fun scene outside a window. Out of the box, the Elsa-inspired doll does have a little box hair. This doll has black and blue braids. Might want to do a little spa day so we can get the braids to lay down so we can cover more of the scalp. She has a blue ear headband, brown inset eyes, blue eyeshadow, and a painted snowflake on one eye and 3 small dots on the other. She comes with a silver-colored snowflake necklace, an icy blue top with silver and white details, denim pants with stitched pockets, a faux button, painted snowflakes and gems at the bottom, and Velcro in the back. And she wears purple shoes. She comes with an iridescent jacket. However, for me, some of the finish is flaking off. But this is just my experience, and yours could be different. There's a black ribbon faux zipper in the front and a little Olaf. Here's the outfit with the jacket. We also get a plastic purse with a ribbon strap. It's open at the top, so you could place small items inside. And she comes with a cell phone with a small pop socket on the back, so the doll can hold it. And we have a surprise balloon. Let's open it up. There's a collector's guide showing us new treats we can collect. I hope I can find the mini waffles. And these 3 look good too. And the donuts. I want the donuts. And we have... the snow cone. It's a little brightly colored Mickey snow cone. And there's a handle on the side, so the doll can hold it. This doll has rotation at the neck, can move at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, move at the hip, bend at the knee. That is a double joint at the knee, and there's articulation at the ankle. But you know, I gotta find out if the clothes will fit a Barbie. The jacket, top, and jeans are a great fit on a classic Barbie, but the pants do stop a little above the ankle. I think the top is a little large on a petite, but the jeans fit pretty good, and they're a good length. But my jacket is starting to flake a lot, so I'm just gonna put it away. Here's the top on a curvy. The Velcro is barely hanging on, and I can get the jeans on, but I can't close the Velcro in the back. Here's the Ariel-inspired ily 4Ever doll with a nice little Ursula vibe. She has a purple and green ear headband, a mermaid tail necklace. It has a green heart, a purple fin, and a silver painted chain. She has black hair with purple streaks. It's styled into 2 braids. She has green and purple eyeshadow, silver shells under the eye, wears a purple top with ruffles, black faux leather shorts with painted tentacles, both clothing items Velcro in the back. Oh yeah, and the shorts have a raw edge at the top and at the bottom. She wears green and blue wedges, comes with a shell purse that is open in the top, has shell glasses that fade to a greenish blue. That's kind of cool. And there's a sequins jacket that has fringe at the bottom. I could have personally lived without that, but there is a picture of Ariel and Ursula on the inside. And here's the look on the doll. I like this Ursula-Ariel combo. I just would have loved to have seen the shorts hemmed. The faux leather is already starting to fray a little. Let's open our balloon so we can see our next Disney park treat. Ah, that's cute. We have Mickey ice cream sandwiches on a red plate. So now we have 2 Disney treats. And if this is not shaved ice or snow cone, I do apologize. Oh, and it seems like they fixed their legs from falling off. And now we just need them to be able to sit with their legs going forward, as well as out to the side. No harm in asking, right? And I'm also noticing that the hem around the arms on this top is not secure. I keep having to flip it over. But I do think it's a very cute top and it fits great on a Barbie, as well as the shorts. The jacket is also a great fit. The top and shorts are a little loose on a petite Barbie, but doable. And with the jacket, you don't even notice. The top is so cute on a curvy, but I can't close the shorts in the back. But the jacket works. And here is the Rapunzel-inspired doll. She has curly brown hair with green highlights. Her headband can glow in the dark. She has pearly pink or lavender eyeshadow, gold details under the eye. The paper in my doll's eye is wrinkled, creating this kind of crystal-y look. This happened to some of my earlier dolls when I got them wet. But I found an Etsy shop called Doll of a Kind that sells lots of different replacement eyes. And we have a tutorial on how to customize them yourself, just in case you need it. This doll has gold-colored earrings. Are they removable? Mine aren't moving. She comes wearing a dress with puff sleeves. The top looks woven. It has a little texture to it. That is kind of cool. The bottom of the dress is sheer with a little flower detail on the side. And those little plastic tie-downs left a hole. But if I just kind of move the fabric, I was able to remove it. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm still waiting for the day when those little plastic things are no longer used. The dress is finished all the way around, which I love. It velcros in the back. I think it is adorable. And she has purple shoes with painted details. She comes with a denim jacket with colorful sleeves and stitched on details. I like the little faux buttons. They're like a metallic pink. Here it is on the doll. We also get glasses with a chain, a black purse that looks like a frying pan. It does have a little opening. There's a purple cell phone and a tiny Pascal with a little hook on the bottom so it can be attached to her clothes. Adorable. And of course, we have a balloon with our Disney treat. And this is a plate of Mickey cinnamon rolls, I'm guessing? I think it's kind of cool. The dress is an easy fit on a classic Barbie, along with the jacket. Looks great on a petite jacket too. And yes, it's an easy fit on a curvy. And the jacket works too. My Target also had this mini fashion pack. It was $16.99. And I bought this Big Thunder Mountain Railroad fashion pack a while ago for $14.99. So there's a little increase in the price there. If you are here for the fashion, then fashion packs could be your jam. We get some ears, some sunglasses, a purse with a scarf and cactus, and the scarf is fabric. And the purse has a faux leather strap. There's an opening in the top. We have a denim jacket with brown stitching, faux buttons, and little decorative pocket flaps. There's a picture on the back. We also get jean shorts and brown shoes. The shoes are a little large for a Barbie. Here they are on a curvy. The headbands can be a little loose but doable, as well as the sunglasses. But the shirt and shorts fit great on a classic Barbie, as well as the jacket and purse. It's a little loose on a petite but doable. The shirt does say Big Thunder Mountain and has a little tie in the front. And the denim jacket is pretty soft, and it looks good on a petite. On a curvy, the top is an easy fit, but the shorts don't close in the back. But the jacket works. The mini fashion pack gives us two tops, one that is short sleeve and one that is long. This one says Coffee and Kindness. We also get a scrunchie, a black skirt with polka dots and a ruffle, glasses, a paper accessory that's a magazine, shoes that are not split in the back. I do find them a little difficult to get on the doll, a drink, and a treat. Here are the clothes on a classic Barbie. The tops were designed to be layered, and it's a great fit. Here it is on a petite. It's a little loose, but doable. On a curvy, the shirt works. The skirt does sit a little high, but it does close in the back. She can fit the long sleeve shirt, and the shoes so far are staying on. However, you might want to add a pair of socks just to stop them from moving around. While I do point out some of the things I have issues with, I do really like the ily 4Ever fashion and accessories. Many of the items can fit different dolls, and I think the Disney bounding is a lot of fun. I love the option of fashion packs and all the little food items. And the coated wire from the doll packaging can be scored and removed to make doll-sized straws. We can take a little recycled paper, cut it into strips, take a glue stick, roll the paper around it, secure the end with glue, and add as many strips as needed to get the size that you want. Trim off the excess glue stick to make a paper tube that's about 1.5 inches to 1 3/4 inches. Add a shorter strip of paper to make 2 levels. Take some doll packaging, cut a small piece, trace a circle, make a small hole in it, and glue it onto the top. Use a paper clip to make a handle. Make 2 holes in the paper to glue in the handle. Glue paper to the bottom, paint it, add a little design. It was supposed to be a frog. Add a strip of metallic tape around the top, then add the straw to make a tumbler for the dolls. With paper, you can make it whatever size you like, whether that's for an 18-inch doll or a mini doll. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few things from ily 4Ever. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the frog vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!